right, I have a not vintage. I have a Halloween box here. I paid $5 for it. It's a mystery box. Hey, Bolo buddies, thanks for watching. Full-time reseller. All right, let's get started. A thrift store mystery box. It was only $5, so I'm not expecting like anything like crazy good, but you know what? It's a mystery and you just never know. Can't get it open. Trying to hold my phone. All right, let's see. Hopefully, oh my goodness, they really put this thing together. Got quite a few here, so I want to kind of try to move, quickly. All right, we have some Boo hats. These are still sealed, but they're made by Greenbrier. I think Greenbrier is an inexpensive brand. I thought I heard somebody say maybe the dollar store. So, I mean, they're pretty big. Porcelain Halloween tea light holder. I can look it up. Here's another one. This has a little light inside of it. That doesn't work. I'd probably have to put batteries in it. This is damaged. You see the chip, so that's just pretty much trash. This one looks okay, but I'm not gonna even mess with those. So this box was, unless I can get something for the little tea light holders, yeah, you guys, I probably won't even, $2.97. I mean, they are vintage, but I'm just not even gonna, I'll just probably donate this entire box. Not even mess with it. So let's do another box. Hopefully the next one is better. I am gonna leave these to the side and maybe try to recoup some of my money. I haven't decided yet. I'll look them up. I really think they might be like dollar store. The problem is they're so big too. Okay, I went ahead and got this box open and ready to go. Just a wood pumpkin. Me 3 creations, so it's not in great condition. That's yucky too. Sometimes the yucky stuff gets put in these boxes, I will say. Here's another light. Doesn't work. Oh, yep, that one works, but I mean, I don't know if I'll even mess with that or not. Maybe I can put it with something else. What's this? This is kind of cool. This says party light. The problem is, as you can see, like it looks like it's a little bit burnt up. What is in it and how do you get it out? Huh. Let's see, does the front come off? I'm gonna have to, oh, there you go. So it has some candles in here. Those are not candlelight or party light. Those are just Walmart. I don't know. I mean, I'll look this up. I don't know if it really matters that it looks like that. It's kind of cool. We'll see. This is a bat basket. And what is this? Bat earrings, $6 firm. I may try to do something with those. This is, again, I'm not gonna mess with that. Maybe it's supposed to look stained. I don't know. This would be cool if it wasn't missing the top. Made in the USA. But it's broken. That's a bummer. Another one of those. All right, we've got tablecloths. Here's a tree. Tombstone corners. It's another greenbrier. Again, probably like the dollar store. Little wood thing that you like hang. I mean, maybe I don't know. I'm like trying to figure out how I can recoup my money. Like maybe I can make like a mystery little like Halloween, not mystery, but make a Halloween thing. Super stretch spider web. Blacklight makes it glow. Fun World Division. I don't know. I can look it up, I guess. Oh look, cow balloons. What on earth? There's something in here. A little Gale West. I'm gonna look that up just in case. It's weird that it was stuck in the balloons. Probably for padding, maybe. Some streamers. Glow spiders. Might be able to do something with those. Some spider webs. So maybe I can make a little decor lot because this stuff is at least new. Knock If You Dare. Scary. Forks. What's this? 96 LML. It's kind of cute, but I'm not gonna mess with it. You're Invited. Invitations. This looks like somebody made like some sort of game or something. All right, you guys, that's box 2. Okay, this box was 6. Oh boy, thought I'd be able to do this. My, oh my. All right, I'll be back. Okay, one side was taped. So this is a felt like spiderweb pillow. I probably won't mess with it. I don't know. It's kind of cute. I don't know. I mean, I think it's kind of cute. What do you guys think? I don't know if it's worth anything. Party napkins. Spooky Town Limax dogs. You know what? Those look pretty good. I don't know. Napkins. What is this? It's like a little basket. Give thanks. Cute little pumpkin. Okay, this has got some chips. Let's see if it has a brand or anything on it. There's the face. It says Scioto Molds, 1979. So I am gonna look it up just in case, but because it has chips, I'm not sure if I'll mess with it. Just a basket. All right, this one was $10. This says mini ceramic pumpkin. I hope it gets better. I don't know if these type of things sell. Maybe I'm donating stuff I should be trying to sell, but more balloons. Funny cow print. My neighbors are probably like, what is she doing? I'm out in my driveway. I can hear them getting in their cars and stuff. All right, what is this? This is a tablecloth. Would you look at that, you guys? It's an owl. This is a little, trick or treat, smell my feet, give me something good, trick or treat. Haha, that's kind of cute. And then there's the witch. And they both work, so I might be able to do something with those. This says Housley, USA. So I'm gonna look that up just in case. What's this? It's a die cut. It's a black cat. I might try to sell that. It's not marked. Usually helps if they're signed by something. What do you guys think about this owl? He's kind of cool, right? Oh, he's got a little thing. He lights up. I might put him on my porch. You guys know I like owls. Warm gingerbread. Trying to see if there's like a, I don't know what brand it is, but it's a candle, right? Pumpkin Cupcake 2014 limited edition. $12.50 for that thing originally. So it's limited edition, so I'll look it up just in case. There's two of those. What's this guy? Made in China. Ew, weird. I don't know what he's made of. I might try to look him up. He's kind of interesting. Trick or treat mug. I'm not gonna mess with it. It probably would maybe sell. I don't know. What is this? I don't know what. PC? Made in the USA. Maybe I should look those up. They look like soccer socks or something. What's this? I don't want to dismiss it just in case, so we'll set it to the side. Whoa. Spooky Hollow 1996. Myers. Weekend Wanderer, November 2002. I mean, the conditions just, I'll put that one to the side. You guys let me know if you see anything that I'm redonating that I probably should have kept. Alright, that's a $10 box. This is the last one. I paid $5 for it. I had to untape it. Let's see what we got. Spooky. Owl Garland. It is 1991 Beastal. I don't know how to say it, but I'm gonna put that to the side and look it up. These are in awful condition. Otherwise, they'd be super cool, but they're so dirty, I'm not even gonna mess with them. Wonder if there'd be a way to like clean the ghosts. This looks interesting. I should be able to do something with that, right? It says 1996 Parachute Press. Don't know what it does, but we'll have to check it out. Well, this box may have made everything worth it because this is kind of cool too. And if nothing else, I can test these things on my reseller testing products. Be fun. I think I should be able to sell some of this. Trick or treat bags, Fun World, made in the USA, the little bags. Made in Taiwan. This is probably like to cut a pumpkin. Goosebumps, Screamer, Try Me If You Dare. Probably needs a battery. That's from 1996. Also, if I can get that working, that could be cool. It has potential. Ooh, gross. Look at them, guys. They're like, ew, ew. They're like kind of cool. I might be able to sell those. I wish they had the packaging. They're ooey and gooey. Okay, we got this big bug. It says Gigata. What's this guy say? Why is he missing a leg? Part of his leg? You see it? It's like stuck right there. I don't know, that's weird. Okay, what is this guy? What is happening with this? Huh. Wonder if he glows. He's kind of interesting. Made in China. That's all it says, but it still looks vintage. More bugs. These like stick to the, maybe I can sell a bug lot. This one is like a spider web. It's not in great condition. Okay guys, could this be good? We got some little mice. I'm gonna set that to the side here. Okay. Even if these aren't marked with some fancy brand, they are definitely vintage. They have been used though, so hopefully there's gonna be something cool in here. This one's made in China. I don't know. Oh, it's a bag. These are bags. Trick or treat bags. Those are kind of interesting. What's this? Action. This is that B-style, B-stole. I don't know, you guys. I'm sorry. I always say that wrong. Printed 2 sides. I don't know what it is, but I'll look it up. This could be cool. Let me open it. It's just a ball. I was hoping it was going to be like a pumpkin. So, I was kind of excited about this, but now I'm kind of losing the excitement. It's kind of a cool graphic. Halloween bag. This one looks cool. Looks old. They've put paper on the back to, unfortunately, it's got marker on it. Oh, there's a skeleton. Again, here's another bag. This guy's cool. Made in Japan. He's got arms and legs. Ooh, look at the cat. Look, oh gosh, they shoved it in the box. Golly, that is a bummer. I think it was already messed up, but wow. Look at that. That's amazing. I'm gonna try to research this. I'm gonna list it damaged. That face is so cool. He's missing an eyeball. All right, folks, that's it. Pretty cool. All right, well, we'll keep the owl for now. Be sure to check out the description of the video. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.